Platform 4 for the 0935 Northern service to Sheffield. Calling at Conisbrough, Mexborough, Swinton.
Right there.
Zones 10 and 11. Platform 3B for the 1042 Transpennine Express service to Liverpool Lime Street. Calling at Meadowhall, Sheffield, Stockport, Manchester Piccadilly, Manchester Oxford Road, Urmston, Earlham, Birchwood, Warrington Central, Liverpool South Parkway and Liverpool Lime Street. This train has 3 coaches. First class accommodation can be found in Zone 12, standard class in Zones 10 and 11.
Penalty fares apply on this service.
This train has 9 coaches. First class accommodation can be found in Zones 4 to 2, standard class in Zones 10 to 5. Platform 8 for the 1037 Transpennine Express service to Cleethorpes via Scunthorpe. Calling Scunthorpe, Barnetby, Ayborough, Grimsby Town and Cleethorpes. This train has 6 coaches. Some stations are short. If you are travelling to Scunthorpe, Barnetby, Grimsby Town, you will need to travel in the front 5 coaches of the train. If you are travelling to Ayborough, you will need to travel in the front 4 coaches of the train. First class accommodation can be found in Zones 7 and 4, standard class in Zones 6 and 5, 3 and 2.
Penalty fares apply on this service. You must buy a ticket before boarding.
Warrington Central, Liverpool South Parkway and Liverpool Lime Street. This train has 3 coaches. Platform 3B for the 1042 Transpennine Express service to Liverpool Lime Street. First class accommodation can be found in Zone 12, standard class in Zones 10 and 11.
Penalty fares apply on this service. You must buy a ticket before boarding this train.
This is a security message. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. Real sorted. See it, say it, sorted. Train at platform 4 is the 10:43 LNER Azuma service to Leeds. Call it Wakefield Westgate and Leeds. This train has 9 coaches. Platform 4 on the 10:43 LNER Azuma service to Leeds. First class accommodation can be found in zones 4 to 2. Standard class in zones 10 to 5. The next train to arrive at platform 8 will be the 10:48 Northern service to Adwick. Call it Bentley and Adwick. This train has 2 coaches.
Penalty fares apply on this service. You must buy a ticket before boarding this train.
Platform 8 of the 10:48 Northern service to Adwick. Call it Bentley and Adwick. This train has 2 coaches.
Penalty fares apply on this service. You must buy a ticket before boarding this train.
Train at platform 8.
This is to ensure your safety, comfort and a prompt departure from this station.
The next train to arrive at platform 4 will be the 11:43 LNER service to This is a security message. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police
18 LNER Azuma service to London King's Cross. Call it London King's Cross only. This train has 9 coaches. First class accommodation is at the front of the train.
Give yourself plenty of time. Train doors may be closed and locked under
Platform 8 of the 12:24 Northern service to Scarborough via Hull. Call it Goole, Brough, Hull, Cottingham, Beverley, Driffield, Bridlington, Bompton, Hunmanby, Filey, Seamer and Scarborough. This train has 3 coaches. Train stops in zones 7 to 5.
Penalty fares apply on this service. You must buy a ticket before boarding this train.
And Leeds. This train has 10 coaches. First class accommodation can be found in zones 7 to 4. Standard class in zones 10 to 8 and 3 to 1. Train at
is the 57 LNER Azuma, service to London King's Cross. Calling at Newark Northgate, Peterborough and London King's Cross. This train has 9 coaches. Platform 1 for the 1257 LNER Azuma, service to London King's Cross. First class accommodation found in zone 1, The 1225 LNER service to London King's Cross is delayed. This is due to a fault on a train. We're sorry that your journey will take longer than planned. Platform 6 for the 1627 Northern service to Leicester, Cottingham, Beverley, Bridfield, Bridlington, Overton, Hungerford, Hyley, Seamer and Scarborough. This train has 3 coaches. Train stops in zones 7 to 5. Platform 8 for the 1737 Transpennine Express service to Cleethorpes via Scunthorpe. Calling at Scunthorpe, Barnetby, Hayborough, Grimsby Town and Cleethorpes. This train has 6 coaches. Some stations have short platforms. If you are travelling to Scunthorpe, Barnetby or Grimsby Town, accommodation can be found in zones 7 and 2. Standard class in zones 6 to 3.
Penalty fares apply on this service. You must buy a ticket before boarding this train.
1419 LNER Azuma service to London King's Cross. First class accommodation can be found in zones 4 to 7. Standard class in zones 1, 2, 3 and 8.